Durango Black, aka Violumpet. It is choreographed by Chris Hall. It is a 32 count, 2-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do a few rotations of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Durango Black. Section 1, your weight is going to start on both feet, also known as split weight. We are going to hop both feet out, shoulder width apart. You're now going to hop both feet back in center. Weight is on your left foot, and you're going to point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to chasse to the right, stepping our right foot side, left together, right side. You're going to cross your left over your right, and we're going to do a full unwind over our right shoulder. And when you get about halfway around, you're then going to sweep your right from front to back to finish that half turn. We're then going to weave right behind, left side, right cross. Let's try that with some counts. We're starting split weight, hopping out in 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, you're going to step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left. You're now going to quickly step your left foot to the left side and cross your right over your left. We're now going to do a half unwind over our left shoulder, putting our weight onto our right foot. And when I do it, I like to sweep my left foot slightly around to put me into a left sailor step, crossing your left behind your right, step your right foot out to the side, and you're going to step your left foot out to the side but slightly forward, and you're going to hold. We're now going to do 2 steps forward, right, left, and if you would like to stomp on those, you can. So let's try it with some counts. We would have just crossed our right over our left. You're stepping your left foot to the side. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 and 6, hold 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to point our right toe to the right side. Quickly step your right next to your left and point your left toe to the left side. We're now going to do a left sailor step, crossing your left behind your right, right foot out to the side, left foot out to the side. We're now going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the left side and do a right sailor step, crossing your right behind your left, step your left foot out to the side, step your right foot out to the side. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our step weights on your left. You're doing your points. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You're going to sway your hips to the right, and you can kind of slightly roll your knee. Some people like to replace those hips with skates forward. So it's kind of doing what they do where you dance, or what feels good with your body. The step sheet does say sway hips left and right. So weight is on your right foot. You're going to sway your hip to the left. You're going to sway your hip to the right. We're now going to do a full turn roll. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot slightly forward. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot slightly back. You're now facing 9 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you stomp your left foot to the left side and hold, and then you're going to stomp your right foot next to your left and hold. You're going to be split weight because we are going to hop both feet out to start the dance all over again. So now let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our sailor step. So we're going to sway our hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, like I said, some people are going to do skates when they do those sways. So if your group does those skates, you want to pretend that you're skating across the floor. So you're going to step your left foot slightly in and then push it out, right foot slightly in and push it out. But you can totally just mimic that with your hips by rolling your knees as you do those sways. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is split. We're hopping out, in, point, chasse to the side, cross full unwind sweep, behind side cross, side behind ball cross half unwind, sailor step, hold step, step, point step, point, sailor step, cross, side, sailor step, hip left, right, quarter, half, quarter stomp, hold, stomp, hold. And then you're ready to start all over again. So now let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're hopping out in. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, hold 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. After that, you don't have to worry about any tags or restarts. You're going to just dance the dance all the way through. So now we're going to go around and do 4 rotations of the dance. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, we're going to do counts. Weight is on both feet. You're split about shoulder width apart. We're hopping out. It's out in point. Chassé to the side. Cross, full unwind, sweep. Behind, side, cross. Side, behind, ball, cross, half unwind. Sailor step, hold, ball step. Point step, point, sailor step, cross, side, sailor step, hip left, right, quarter, half, quarter stomp, hold, hop. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, hold 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop out in point. Chassé to the side. Cross, full unwind, sweep. Behind, side, cross. Side, behind, ball, cross, half unwind. Sailor step, hold step, step. Point step, point. Sailor step, cross, side, sailor step. Hip left, right. Quarter, half, quarter stomp, hold, hop. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, hold 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've practiced with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp listed in the video description to skip to the end and practice with the rear demo so that you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Durango Black. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.